How did you cut Tusi?
Man, so a lot of people ask me, how did I get a celebrity in my chair? And usually people just reach out to me on Instagram. They'll type in LA barbers hashtag. They'll find the top barbers and they'll pick me. They'll send me a DM. But this one wasn't like that, and it's not what you would normally think. So I had just cut his producer, SpeakerBangerz, and he said, bro, I need a cut. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the DM. First thing he said, I need a cut in LA today. You busy? Boom. Boom. What's your number, gang? We're gonna blurt that out. Y'all don't need to see the number. So then next thing you know, so this is what you guys see on Instagram, but I wanna give you guys the behind the scenes, right? So I pulled up to his hotel. First thing he says, yo gang, you tall as hell, you play basketball. And I asked him like, how did you find me? He's like, you actually cut my producer, SpeakerBangerz. Funny thing about this story is that we actually have him here today, so let's go get him. He's a platinum producer, hundreds of thousands of followers and subscribers on YouTube. He's a pretty boy, you know, he got the curls for the girls, so let's get it. Longer than usual. Before we get started, you know I got the giveaway. You guys know what to do. Go ahead, comment, like, and subscribe. I'm gonna be giving away one of these, either the trimmer, the clipper, or the shaver right here from Gamma. Shout out to Gamma. So you guys know what to do. Go ahead, comment, like, and subscribe on the video. Tag me on Instagram and share the video to your story, and then comment done, and I'm gonna choose a random winner. Let's get it. My boy got the curls for the girls. We're gonna show y'all a mid-taper. We're gonna start off with the back. First guideline is very crucial. And then we're gonna do the same thing here. We're gonna create a silhouette on the top that fits his head shape, because a lot of times like people's hair has a custom shape to it, so we wanna make it fit his actual head shape. Go up the top, we're gonna taper the sides, we're gonna put the part in here. My boy's going out the beard. Beard coming soon. Trust the process. Expect the unexpected. Let's get it. Have more of those happen lately? People finding you?
Yeah. It's been like through Instagram or something. Or like, I've been having like A&R set up sessions and shit.
You said through Instagram?
Hell yeah. Like people have been DMing me through Instagram trying to do sessions and shit.
That's how Tusi happened?
Yeah. That shit happened like that in like 2017. That shit was a long time ago.
Wow. What was the story on that? He just DM'd you, or you DM'd him?
Yeah, hell yeah. He had found my beats on YouTube too, and then he just DM'd me, and then he was all like, "Damn, you stay in Raleigh too?" And then we just linked up and shit, and then we started picking up and shit.
Wow. When did you start your YouTube?
Like 2015.
My man started his YouTube 2015. 2 years later, worked with Tusi. Next thing you know, went and got himself a platinum record. My boy Waavy reached out to him, and the rest is history. It sounds like an overnight success, but it's really like, how many years in the making?
That shit took like 6 years, man. I started when I was 15. I'm 21 now. said Nip, that's your favorite artist?
Yeah, I would say he's like the soundtrack to my journey as a barber. I found him when I was in Ohio, and a lot of his principles, like all money in, no money out, made me decide to stack like 10 racks when I was like 19 and a half.
Yeah.
And by the time I was 20, I had enough, and I moved to California. I ended up spending almost all of it on like the move, you know, as far as rent,
That's how it be, man.
Ubers, food, and I really didn't have no clients, so that money down there was like my freedom fund, you know, like it gave me the ability.
But shit, you believed in it, so it worked out. And then now look at you doing YouTube videos now, like,
Right.
you shit's about to go crazy.
As far as like it ain't gonna happen overnight, but if you commit yourself to it, all the ups and downs,
It'll always be a marathon.
yeah.
Bellow on the bellow on the bellow on the bellow on the
That inspired me too, low key, bro. I had to make a couple bands by my own.
It's best to just do it by your lonely. Like, money-wise, like, when money involved, people just end up getting greedy. Like,
Wow. And that's something on your journey you learned that quick.
yeah, hell yeah. I picked that shit up as soon as I moved to LA though. That like people just be money hungry, man.
I feel like everybody has that, but it's just some people are like OD with it.
Yeah. Those are the two biggest drugs.
What is?
Money and clout.
It's funny because we know that we still pursuing both of those.
Facts, though. I mean, I don't really care about the clout though. The clout just come with it.
Huh?
Like later on, like you just gotta let all the clout come with it. Like just chase the dream, like the main focus.
Keep the main thing the main thing. The clout should not be the main thing. Some people were doing it backwards.
Yeah, that's the same with the money too though. Like you was just cutting hair and then the money just came with it type shit.
Yeah, don't replace the goal with money.
Yeah, cause it's like we give the money its value.
So for you, the goal is like everywhere you go, you're hearing that tag, SpeakerBangerz. When you hear it, you know it's a hit.
Hell yeah.
And then when you achieve that, the money gonna come, the clout gonna come.
Yeah, that shit just come with it.
Yeah. Wow.
But honestly, like the clout, that shit can be like a gift and a curse. Some people don't enjoy having clout. Like they rather have the money.
Yeah, I'd rather have a bag than fame.
Hell yeah.
One time they asked Nipsey that in an interview. They're like, "How does it feel to be famous?" He said, "Truthfully, fuck fame, bro.
Yeah,
get you some money."
Niggas don't care about that clout shit, man.
BeatStars.com.
Spot him, got him. Or he don't really deserve it yet.
I don't think I heard of them.
The beatbox song, that dance.
Oh, that, okay.
Like,
Oh, dang.
palm tree head ass.
Oh,
Like, you
yeah.
got him. Spot him, got him.
If I do it like this, it'll look cleaner.
So right now, look, right here is the line I used to make. I used to go on your jawline. I would just take it all the way up here.
Oh, okay.
But I'm low-key cutting off all this progress.
Yeah.
Like this grows in pretty thick.
I feel like, see, it's gonna look like a big, like, you know what I'm saying?
But it's underneath at least. Cause look, you see this? The patch you was talking about? He's like, I wanna get some patches. At the end of the day, we're gonna do what you want. I'm just trying to convince you, but.
I'm not, I'm fucking with you.
So this patch is gonna be even more exposed if I do the jawline. I feel like, because this kind of helps it. It helps look like there's a connection there. This piece does.
Oh, okay, I get what you're saying.
If I cut it off, it might not.
I get what you're saying now. Yeah, we gotta keep that. We gotta.
What's the other side look like? Look up again.
Which one?
Oh, this side going crazy. This side we ain't gotta worry. You know what I mean? Like this side's way fuller.
Shit, I know you're gonna get me right.
That's the green light right there. That's basically saying, man, just do what you do, man. I trust you. You know, that's what you want as a barber.
Yep.
At the end of the day, you want them to show you like a photo or like a video or like, hey, this is how I want it. This is a past haircut. And you looking at the video or the picture like, I'm gonna do better than that shit, but I got you. You at least have an outline, right? But then when they say, hey, bro, I trust you, I know you're gonna get me right. Now I can just kind of go for it. But we still gonna blend this in a little bit at the very top. We're gonna keep all this progress. I just told him, man, trust the process, you know?
Yeah. I already know, man.
It's a new look.
It's a VIP cut for real.
It's a VIP cut for real. All right, let's get it. If we can get it all to look like this, we're gonna be straight.